it's Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hi.
And if you can believe it or not, we are testing more kitchen gadgets today.
What is this? This looks like some sort of like surgical procedure, like for measuring like a surgery.
Right? We are starting with the most expensive kitchen gadget today. This is a cake icer.
What?
This is supposed to like adjust so you can do different size cakes, and it spins and it's gonna like ice our cakes perfectly.
Okay.
The price of this automatic cake icer, $500.
Oh, okay.
So this is real deal. This is for baking enthusiasts. Honestly, I would just do it by hand with a spatula, but maybe this is gonna make my life easier. All right, we're gonna put down a little wet paper towel. This is a little trick, Justine, because it gives it a little tension. Does that look even on your side? This looks pretty even.
Maybe just. Oh, I've hit the cake. I've hit the cake.
That's okay.
Okay, so now we got to adjust this. Like, how much icing do we want, though? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do we have to take it off of here? All right, so we were having trouble getting this cake plate, but this actually does adjust if you do have this on a plate. Look at this. See, this is where my expertise comes in because
That's what I'm talking about.
like this feels like I'm just like tightening or like, you know, building a PC or something. The real question is how close do we get it though?
Pretty close. We want to leave a little bit of room, but not too much room.
So let me.
Perfect. Is that how you tighten it?
I'm not sure.
What about this thing?
Oh.
What do we do with this?
Oh, this is
Probably the
this
crank?
guy.
I love it. I love it.
For $500, it better like digest the cake for me. Mike's hitting the button for us.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so excited about this.
You ready?
Yes.
You want to go?
Sure. Okay, do I get to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's looking pretty good.
What? Look how nice this is coming out.
Justine, while you're doing that, I'm gonna be stress eating some icing over here.
Am I stressing you out?
This whole process is stressing me out because I've never seen a machine like this and I'm so worried. I have so many worries. It's gorgeous.
Wow!
I'm impressed. I can't believe that this works so well.
I can't believe that I'm doing something. So what's also interesting is like this cake is not exactly even. So it's just kind of like filling in the icing.
This is amazing.
Is this how they do it?
No. You can just take a messy big old spatula and just, look at that.
Look at that.
Clunk it on there and then it's gonna even it out. Yeah, let's turn it up.
Give it some more icing.
How fast is it going? 10 miles per hour?
320, whatever that means.
320 what? Like on the
Maybe
treadmill? Against the cake.
Oh,
Whoa. You can like hand carve these. This is so cool. It's like pottery class.
Oh no!
I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't bring extra pans. I'm so sorry. Oh shoot. Turn it up.
Oh no, that wasn't off. I just sliced through the whole cake.
I love this thing. I'm gonna keep practicing, clean up a little bit.
I think this worked really well. Worth it. I'm gonna get one.
100% worth it. Let us know in the comments, would you buy one of these? My answer is yes.
So next up, we have a battery-powered handheld smoker, and this was 20 bucks. The only thing is it doesn't come with the wood chips or this fancy little glass smoker container.
Love it. What is this? Like, Justine, just wiggle it. Like,
wiggle.
What?
So we've got the wood chips. So do we jam this in here?
Have you ever smoked some meats before?
In a grill, yes, but not like this.
Justine, we have an assortment of wood chips. Which flavor would you like? We have oak, peach, apple, pear. What pairs well with a little bit of steak? We've got potatoes and veggies here.
I would say maybe like a nice oak.
Let's do an oak. Let's do an oak steak. An oak smoke. Now, I've smoked a lot of things, but I've never smoked the meats. I did watch a live stream of Mark Zuckerberg smoking the meats.
I am smoking a brisket.
It was so funny.
How do we know when it's done?
And how far do you put this in? Are you supposed to put it in a lot, a little? What do you do here?
I don't know, but you're making me uncomfortable.
Sorry, I will put this up like that.
I'm scared.
What's that noise?
It's smoking.
So we're gonna light it up because apparently we didn't light it.
I think that sounds fine. Oh, look at that! It's happening! We've got smoke.
Did I do too much? Did I do too much smoke?
Maybe there's should we throw some more in there?
Oh yeah.
Since like we got the flames going.
Oh,
like,
this is like honey smoked bacon. I want to do this.
Should we
apple
lift
one.
this up? How long do we leave it in here for? Do we just?
I don't know how long you smoke meat for.
I don't
Here, I'm
know.
gonna throw some apple in
Should
here.
we call Mark?
It's smoking.
This can't be good for us. What if we lift it up and then put it back down?
Okay, let's do it. You gotta flip it up, upside down maybe. Likes to be in there.
All right, let's put it back down.
This looks like one of my parties. Go, Justine, go! I'll keep smoking these meats.
This can't be good for us.
Why am I not affected? Why am I not affected? Or how do you know when it's, that's hot. How do you, okay, I'll put that there. I guess this worked pretty well, so reviews online seem to like it. If you ever want to smoke a meat or a drink.
You'd have a wild time.
Wild. I don't know what the name of this is because I don't know what language, but the sticker on the top says Creative Walnut Cracker Pecan 2. And this is,
What even is that?
this is what it looks like. Isn't that funny?
Are there directions?
Watch this.
Oh my god, okay, well, what's this? Wait.
We don't know how it works, but all we know is it's $16 and we're gonna figure it out. You know what it is?
Nope.
It's the slap machine all again.
You put it in and then you lift it up and let go.
Mike's so smart. Ow! Don't do that! No, Justine! Why would you tell me to do that? So you do this?
Yeah, all the way up.
Yeah, okay, no, you're
Okay, wait, Justine, you go on that side.
I'm not touching that again.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, jeez.
That worked.
It did work, but I pinched my finger.
That's true.
Maybe you don't have to do it that hard, right?
Okay, let's try to do it softer. Oh,
Look
that
at
makes
that.
sense, Justine.
This is soft.
Okay.
Okay, maybe a little.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
The only thing I don't like is this because it
Oh.
can hit you. I
Yeah,
wanna,
so I think the problem is we don't actually have to do it that hard. I think the problem is I was really winding up.
This is the weirdest nutcracker I've ever seen in my life. I've never seen a nutcracker like this.
I don't know how I feel about it. To do it too, oh gosh, wow.
That worked. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, this is cool. This one is ridiculously fun. It's not the easiest way to crack a nut, but I enjoyed it.
I just can't believe it.
Next up is the Starfrit Potato Express. So this is a potato peeler.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and it looks kind of heavy duty. It's $20, and I'm wondering if it's worth it.
This is sharp.
This looks like a torture device.
It does.
Oh, Justine, do you remember when we decorated potatoes to look like each other?
I wasn't gonna bring it up, but yes, I absolutely remember. Oh my, okay.
Gosh, is it not tall enough? Not
Well, I
tall
think we
enough for
can-
this ride.
No, I think we can, oh. Okay, it's in.
Ready. It moves down on its own.
So I see how this could be helpful. Like I could be, playing an iPhone game or something while this
Yeah.
is peeling. I don't like that it's like, it makes it look like that. Like it's not like a smooth, it's just like,
Yeah, it looks kind of weird. But if you're
Yeah.
just gonna do mashed potatoes, and you need to get the skin
True.
off, and it can look a little funny. I mean, this works.
It worked very well. I bet we could probably take off another layer of it, right?
We could make potato pasta.
We could.
It is. It is.
Pop it in fry, Daddy, and we've got a treat.
I love it. French
Look at
fry
this.
pasta.
Oh my goodness, this is everything.
I love it.
Should we try another fruit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's curvy. She's got to hit all the
Yep.
angles.
That's a lot of angles.
It's still doing it.
It's really doing a great job. Love this.
For some reason, I have an eggplant. Let's test it.
Oh. This can do everything.
It does it all.
It does it all. Look at this.
It's amazing. So we found a manual one for the same price. So we're gonna try this out and see which one we'd prefer.
Okay. I'd already know. I mean, we didn't even have to do any work.
I'm so excited about the first one. So it's like, oh.
I feel like we've done something like similar to this before.
done something
but not
similar.
like this.
I did something like this with an apple, and oh God, how do you just, okay, you shove this in here.
Okay.
And then by hand, we crank it.
Oh, that's actually not that bad.
Yeah, I'll help you hold it down. It's got little suction caps on the bottom, so.
Oh, okay. I think.
Oh, watch out, there's a blade on there.
So I think. Oh, let me go back the other way.
Oh, rewind.
No. So okay. Here's the thing. I think we're supposed to start it over here.
Okay.
Yeah. There we go.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This actually did do a smoother kind of peel.
It did.
So aesthetically, it does look a little better.
They're both a little squeaky and have plastic on them, but it's quieter and faster, and I think it only does things that are apple-sized, so it couldn't do the
Eggplant.
eggplant or this potato.
We could try.
I don't think, but let's try it.
Here we go.
Yep. Maybe it can
Oh.
just, yeah, maybe it'll do it this way,
Oh.
the long way.
Okay, so there's the problem is it can only go so far.
It needs a circular
Yeah.
circular fruit or something.
Nice try.
Okay, maybe if you have a round potato.
Yeah.
If you've got 20 bucks and you were looking for a peeler, star for it.
Star for it. So next up, we have a handheld household noodle machine. This looks like a weapon, but okay.
For $36, what do we get? All right, we got a little scraper.
This is all like metal.
This is just like a cookie gun.
Then you should know
The
exactly
little
how to
place-
use it.
Yes, yes.
Oh! Okay.
I love it. Okay, okay.
So,
let's try spaghetti.
How much do you think we put in?
A lot, all of it. Perfect, Justine, that is perfect. And then you pack it in there. Yeah, gorgeous. Yes. And this is just how a cookie gun works.
This is so fun.
I love this. My first impression is that it's really well made. It's very sturdy. They're using metals, and it's quite heavy, which I like.
And this is like a nice plastic too.
Yeah, it's thick. So take your little faceplate, boom, and I love that the ends are metal. My favorite cookie guns, the ends are metal, not plastic. Yeah. Justine, look at that. That's it. Ready?
Yep.
Boom!
Here we go.
Is it happening?
Yes! Oh, look at it. It's like little hair.
It's amazing!
Wow! Should we cut it and change faceplates?
Yeah, here, I'll just turn it off.
Oh, I almost cut myself. Look at that. Beautiful pasta.
Fettuccine. Let's get some fettuccine.
A fettuccine.
Let's get some fettuccines.
Look at that.
It's beautiful!
Oh, I think that's the end of
Oh,
our...
we ran out.
Oh, but look at it. It looks so good. Wow. I'm impressed. This is incredible.
I think I love this.
I think it's great. A great deal.
I'm into it. I saw this on TikTok. It's a $10 ice cream sandwich maker.
Okay.
So I thought, let's give it a go. And we've got the window open, so if like a bird flies in or something, so be it. It got a little smoky in here, so we had to open up everything. All right, how does this, what is that? Do you cut that? I don't want to cut it if you're not supposed to.
I think you're supposed to.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe you're not supposed to cut it.
Yeah, because it has the impressions
You're
in
right.
the ice
Oh,
cream.
you're not supposed to
There are
cut
these
it.
crosses.
I was about to cut this.
Let's do it. Let's get Italian. Let's go.
And then we just, it looks like we just turn it.
Okay,
So yeah, okay.
get it in there, and then turn.
Oh, there we go. That's the way to do it.
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah.
here we go. Ready?
Twist that
Let's-
way. I'll twist that way.
Okay.
And then
And then we
plop it
just
in.
jam it out of there.
How do you push it? Oh, there's a press down
Yeah.
button. Oh,
Well-
okay. Well, that's a.
I mean,
Ow.
I mean, how often are
Push,
you?
twist, serve.
Okay, I mean, it's kind of worked. You want to try?
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
yeah, I
Round
mean-
2. Rin. Push down.
How often are you making ice cream sandwiches, first of all?
And this is the part that's tough, is the counter turning, you know?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put it here. Let's do it. Okay, right? That's a lot of weight for the thumb.
Well, it looks like, do you twist this too?
Oh, maybe do that. Maybe do
there,
that.
That's it.
That's it.
There
That's it.
she is. Okay. It did work. I think we just need to maybe like practice a little.
Yeah, it did work. I just don't like the cross section.
Yeah.
I do get why they do it, because when you're pressing down in a smaller section, it's gonna cut through easier, but I
Interesting.
didn't like that.
I don't think you need it.
I'd rather just scoop something and plop it on there
Yeah.
and then eat it. Overall, not the best. I don't know if it'd be worth it.
Now we're going to be testing out an electric mason jar vacuum sealer. I've never needed to do this before. Oh, it's pink! Okay, I'm sold. Love it. Oh, look, we've even got little... Oh, we already have one. So it gives us some extra little seals.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Okay, now we lock it. So I just pushed the on button and it sounds like it's doing something. It also has USB-C. We love that.
Love it. And there's a little counter on the top. We're at 40 seconds. 41, 42.
Should we stop? Unlock?
Unlock.
Oh.
Oh no. Did we vacuum seal that on? Is that a tip?
Oh no, it's on there.
Oh, that's on.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, this is if you have a wide jar. So that makes sense.
Yep. And you can tell the marshmallows are a little puffed out in there, so it worked. And this thing is on there. That's on.
That's cool.
That's really cool. Okay, I love this. I appreciate that it was quiet, it did what it said it would, and if this is what you're looking for, it worked.
I wasn't even looking for this, but now I need it. Ooh, look at this, a sandwich maker.
Oh, I love these. Is it like a panini grill? One of those?
I don't know.
Kinda, something like that.
Looks like this has been, this box has been opened before, so maybe.
This is a
I
return.
don't know. It could be a return. I hope it was on sale. Stop! Stop!
Or it fell off the rack. You know, it could
Maybe.
have fallen off the shelf. That's okay. Got a little beat up. All right.
Looks clean, looks unused.
Yeah, this looks nice. Oh, no wonder, Justine, this fell.
Okay,
This
somebody
fell.
definitely did a return.
This is definitely a return. Like, look at this. Look at this.
I mean,
Crazy.
should we still try to use it?
I think so.
I don't know.
see a broken cord. Don't worry, everyone. We're adults. We're professionals. We can do stuff. All right. Is it turning on?
It's getting warm.
I can't. This is ridiculous. All right. Let's.
Stick it in.
I also like that we're testing if it can work if it's become detached. Let's see. The red light means the unit is powered on. The green light lets you know the plates are ready for use.
Okay, the green light never came on yet. It's either broken or it's just not ready.
Okay, I'm pretty impressed by the brand if this was a delivery issue, because the fact that it's still working after it has fallen apart is a little impressive. Electric sandwich.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, don't touch that.
So this looks like it actually did a pretty great job. We didn't even use any butter or anything.
Oh, I love
So
it.
like no stick.
Mike, your sandwich is ready.
Did you see that?
I love that it's kind of like pre-cuts them.
I am.
Justine, you were on fire today.
Like-
That was amazing.
My reaction time is really good.
Yes, chef. This is $18. I think it's pretty affordable for like a sandwich griller like this. And I also like that it kind of cuts the sandwich for you. At least it puts those impressions in so you can tear it easily. And I'm gonna hope that this was just a delivering issue. But even then, the cords are holding up.
I think the problem is we received someone's return.
Well, joke's on them because we just made 2 delicious sandwiches. Next gadget, I've been told that this one is an electric handheld dishwasher.
Okay.
Which I don't know where you'd use it, but I'm excited to try.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Whoa, this looks weird.
No one's ever gonna use this.
This is insane. Okay? I don't know.
Look at
why
this.
You would ever.
What in the world? This looks like hungry hippos.
Oh my gosh. No. What is this? This is wild.
So scary.
Okay, we're just gonna give it a go. I'm not even gonna mess with this. All right, we've got some dirty dishes here. Do I put water in here? I mean, what do we do? Okay, here we go.
So it says, raise the brush, but then it also says in parentheses, it's okay if you don't raise it.
Pull that. Ah! Did I break it?
Absolutely.
Stick it in between here,
is that
probably.
Well,
Oh yeah, and this holds the plate. Push that down. This is supposed to hold the plate. And then what?
okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, so hold that.
That's it.
Okay,
Got it.
You're gonna be here till the next holiday gathering.
I hate this. All right, we'll try a smaller plate. This is, oh, gross. Okay, I'm so sorry. This is gross. Did it work?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so Mike helped us out here. I guess if you have a thinner plate, it could go faster. I'm so sorry. Off.
I'm afraid of it. I'm afraid of it. It looks like some sort of creature from another planet,
This is a hunk of junk.
basically.
This is a hunk of junk. It's gonna give me nightmares. I'm over it. I prefer the old-fashioned way. All right, everyone, go follow Justine. I'm gonna put her links down below and let us know down below which gadget was your favorite. I think mine might have been the pasta good.
Absolutely, it was so nice. I mean, the quality, everything, it was so cool. I loved it.
Everything. And the peeler.
Starfrit.
The Starfrit.
Great.
And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
All right. Thanks again, you guys. Bye.
Bye.